Are targeting their first Issa Grace Kennedy Boys Champs title since 2021. Among the reasons the Old Hope Road-based institution is feeling confident this year is the presence of the Ghanaian middle and long-distance pair of Evans Tete and Dominic Amponsa. Jermaine Brown reports.
Jamaica College's Evans Tete sent out an early warning that he'll be hard to beat at this year's Issa Grace Kennedy Boys Championships when he secured a resounding victory in the 5,000 meter open at the Pure Water R. Danny Williams JC Development Meet in January. Tete won the event in 15 minutes 51.67 seconds ahead of Raheem Walker of Buff Bay, 16 minutes 16.13, and JC teammate and fellow Ghanaian Dominic Amponsa, 16 minutes 21.84. 17-year-old Tete, who was second in the event at Champs 2025, says he wanted to go even faster.
Basically, based on the time that I was expecting, it couldn't go that way, so I just relaxed for the first 3K and try to do what I can do.
Tete, who was also second in the 3,000 meter steeplechase at Champs last year, says he's ready to lead JC's Champs charge this year, noting he's confident they can win.
Based on the time, we have good Africans also in this country, so I'm just aiming to catch some specific time. I know when I catch that time, I'll be able to win a Champs.
Amponsa will be hoping to join his countryman on the podium at Champs 2026, especially having missed the 5-day spectacle last year.
Yeah, last year I was having injury issues, so I couldn't make it. But this year God have made me possible to, come back again. So we are doing some little patch on it. So this year, I'm looking forward for Champs for 5,000 and 1,500.
And as for winning Champs this year,
very, very possible because last year we was short about sprint side and long distance side. So this year I have noticed that there are lots of improvements in sprinters and long distance. So this year it will be possible.
And they'll have the support of JC Old Boys Robin Sproul, Devon Gray, Peter Mullings, and Bob Austin, who were recently honored at the Pure Water R. Danny Williams JC Development Meet for their contributions to JC's track and field program over the years. Mullings, who was manager of the JC team when they won the coveted Mortimer Geddes Trophy in 2011, explained why he's confident they can secure the trophy this year.
The understanding is that that JC does have a very good team. They have a good team of coaches, a good cadre of athletes. So I don't see why it is that they're not right in the mix. So I expect them to do very well this year.
Sproul says he's expecting a close championship.
It's never about 1 year end. You have to be a rounded team and score points right around, all around. You can't score in 1 year and think you're going to win. You have to score all around. Always trying to score a point in every event and try to score point. If Casey scoring 12, you want to score at least 1 or 2 points. You don't want to live there 0.
For Gray, JC will be ready for Champs glory this year.
No, this is the year for us. We have a very powerful team, and we're going to make it happen. So Calabar and Casey, look out. We are more together. The team is well organized, the coaches are well organized, and the coaches and it's a team effort.
The Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships will be held from March 24 to 28 at the National Stadium with live coverage on TVJ, TVJ SN and One Spot Media and radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.